This episode of TechZilla is sponsored by GoToMeeting.
Technically, we are a tech show. Let's talk about NVIDIA cards. If you bought an NVIDIA card, if you run an NVIDIA card for gaming, you should be updating your drivers. It's crazy. The blog entry, new Geforce game-ready drivers boost BioShock Infinite performance by up to 41%. Now, obviously, this is NVIDIA's blog, and NVIDIA likes to emphasize the positive, eliminate the negative, to borrow a line from a song, hopefully without getting sued. But Geforce 314.22 game-ready drivers, and
Loaded those up last night.
And they should be delivering you some happy performance on BioShock Infinite. And if you want to see something really interesting, take a look at HardOCP did a really good analysis of all of the driver updates for NVIDIA over 2012. They do some really cool stuff where they look at all the drivers over the course of the year. And one of the things I noticed, especially towards the end of the year, there were a lot of late 2012 driver updates that delivered some interesting performance boosts. Driver updates, actually, I should let you comment on this.
In the case of the latest drivers from NVIDIA, if you look at over time with a popular title that's very graphic intensive, with something like Far Cry 3, since the original driver set came out in the 300 series, the performance on that game has just increased steadily since. And just recently, it took a nice jump from more than 10%. So what that just tells me that just simply by running a driver update, it can push a game, say, running at medium graphics settings, up into high settings, or on my Ultra card, it looked basically, or on my 680, when I run games on Ultra, I'm getting a little bit more frame rate out of it, or I'm getting a smoother frame rate experience overall. And I also had a chance to try out the Geforce Experience app, by the way, which is also available at the NVIDIA website. And the nice thing about that is it takes over the driver update features of the software itself, which already, if you're using NVIDIA's drivers, they have a built-in updater that's there and will check for you automatically, which is nice. But this tool goes one step beyond by also taking a look at all the games that are currently installed in your system and giving you a one-touch click to say, you know what, here's what we recommend for optimized settings based on your hardware. And that makes it really easy, rather than having to go through every game you own and go, can I bump this up or not based on my current hardware level? That can get kind of confusing, and that's one thing I really liked about the new program from NVIDIA. Although, one problem I ran into, at least with Steam titles on my own computer, was that it just simply didn't find all of the games on my system. It found a lot of them, but it didn't find like BioShock Infinite for some reason.
But Steam is supposed to do that check before it launches a game, right?
True. As far as updating game titles go, it keeps that updated. And if I wanted, I could have it do my software or my driver updates as well. But I typically let the driver program that's already doing that now take care of that. But I just had to pass along that the new Experience program, though, from NVIDIA is just it's a neat way for someone who might not be as technical about what settings to tweak within a game. And on the PC side of things, you are given much more access to the guts of a game in order to make settings changes that will dramatically affect the fidelity of what you see on the screen. And it's great in the sense you can turn everything up to max,
and dramatically lower your frame rate.
Exactly, and for me, frame rate's everything. And if I can't maintain that silky smooth frame rate, I'm the type of person who will sacrifice graphics to make the frame rate nice and smooth. I need that fluidity for just to make me have more fun, I think is what it comes down to. When your entire team can get together, it's amazing what can get accomplished. Projects that take weeks or decisions that usually take days are done right then and there. But gathering everyone together from different locations can be time-consuming, expensive, and often plain impossible. That's why we're recommending GoToMeeting with HD Faces. It makes it easy for your entire team to get together online. With GoToMeeting, you share the same screen, so you stay on the same page. And the built-in HD video conferencing makes your online meetings just like being in the same room. Plus, it's simple to launch or join a meeting from anywhere using your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Even present from your iPad. Can't wait to start saving time and money at your company? Well, you can try GoToMeeting today for free. Visit GoToMeeting.com, click on the Try It Free button, and use the promo code TechZilla. Remember, use the promo code TechZilla.